So I'm having breakfast again on the boat. It's not bad. It's spam and eggs and coffee. I put a little Swiss cheese. There's my boat keys there. So this is my boat. A little bit about the history of this boat. This boat actually was built in England in 1973. It's called a Pioneer 10. It's a 32-foot sailboat. Here's the this is my galley here. You can see it's not very big. Right now I'm using the fry pan to cook everything, and then I've got a thing for boiling water. Underneath the fry pan is a diesel stove top, stove top, and also heater, but I don't have any diesel because my diesel engine, which is supposed to be right behind all that, is dead. So I need to put an outboard on this and get the diesel engine fixed. Anyway, continuing on around, you see I got a little mini fridge, which, you know, under sail would fall off, I'm sure. So I'd have to strap it down. There's some snacks. You know, I haven't cleaned up. Here's my banjo. Here's some paper towels. There's a towel. I just took a shower up in the shower house. This is the head. I don't use it because I'm in the marina. I just walk up to the shower house. There's my V-berth bunk, which is actually quite comfortable. That thing right down the middle is necessary, they tell me. It has to do with the rigging, so it's not that bad. Okay, continuing on around, here is my rain gear. There's a little wet locker there, another towel, the side berth. There's storage here, little fan. This is supposed to be my desk. It's a mess. They call it a chart table, but people don't use charts much anymore. There's a bunch of sails stowed back there. And there is the companionway. I don't know why they call it a companionway, because you can't walk down it with your companion. You can only go one at a time. Anyway, that's the boat. Oh, I want to tell you a little bit more about this boat. This boat has a history behind it. It was built in England, and the original owner, I'm told, sailed across from England, went down to